This video shows how to record student attendance at an activity like an orientation with an option to encourage students to do a reflection on their participation in the activity. In order to ease student access to the list of activities, it's best to link those from a module on the Modules page. To create a new module, select the plus module button, give it a name, and then inside the module, select the plus button in the title bar, choose Assignments, create an assignments, and make the name recognizable. Select the newly created assignments to view it, and then select Edit. The assignment instructions could be as simple as letting students know what the activity is. It's also possible to include links, images, or files as part of the assignment instructions. Depending on the purposes of the assignments and how it's being used within this course, the points may or may not matter. For something like attendance, the Display Grade As option is probably best selected as Complete Incomplete. If this assignment is only being used to document attendance, then leaving the type as No Submission is important. You may or may not decide to include a due date, which could reflect the date that the event actually occurs. Select Save and Publish. Also, don't forget to select to publish the module, else students won't be able to see it. And then to record the attendance for students, you can go straight to the grades page. And for each student who was in attendance, select Complete, or if they weren't there, Incomplete. If you want to include a reflection as part of the assignment, select the assignment name, select Edit. This can of course be done as part of creation. And for the submission type, select Online, then choose the option for text entry. And make sure to include instructions on what you want students to do there. Then students will need to go into Canvas, select the assignment from wherever it's linked. In this example, it's on the Modules page. And they'll need to select the button to start the assignment. They'll get the box in this example to complete a text entry. With an assignment for attendance that includes a reflection, on the grades page you'll see an icon indicating an ungraded submission. You can select the arrow that's within the cell and then go to Speed Grader to view each student's submission. You can also enter comments on their submission to let them know that you've read it and perhaps respond to anything that they wrote.